to know I play a part in making good quality parts. To have the opportunity for career growth in this industry is truly a blessing. And it's an honor and a privilege to work with some of the coolest people ever since I've been in this field for the past 3 years. These are just some of the things I love about working in manufacturing.
I love working in manufacturing because we get to work with experts from different areas and different fields, everyone providing a unique point of view, which leads to an effective problem solving. We get to see the results firsthand in the line of production and later on observe the improvements achieved in the plant's KPIs by our contribution.
Good morning, Team AAM. My name is Jeff Todd. I've been an associate with American Axle and Manufacturing for about 27 years. Why do I love manufacturing? Well, I was born into it. It's in my blood. My great-grandfather worked at the Detroit Forge. My grandfather worked at the Detroit Forge. My father worked at the Detroit Forge. I hired in 27 years ago at the DGA, which became known as the DMC. It's in my blood. My oldest son is a supply chain supervisor for AAM. I love manufacturing because of the people that daily deliver power and quest for the best. It's the associates that make us who we are. And that's why I love manufacturing. Thank you and have a great day.
Manufacturing is the process to transform parts into final components. Here at AAM, we're focusing to do it in a large scale. We take advantage of the expertise from our most important resources we have, our people. Designs, installation, validation, and the products, and see those vehicles running on the streets with AAM inside. In manufacturing area, it's great to look at our process and plan how to do it better than today. Bring the future faster.
I'm Ricardo Morales, design engineer in AAM El Carmen, Mexico facility, and I love working in manufacturing because it is very exciting to implement new technologies in the development of new casting products and see how the raw materials becoming important components in the transmission of a vehicle.